Ito ang latest chika mga kamarites. Dani Pangilina at Bel Mariano nagsalita na ukol sa kanilang upcoming project. Ito nga, panoorin po ninyo ang video.
Because we've gone through so many things, me and Belle, and it's like what, our 6th year of time together, and we've done so many projects. For sure they're gonna see a more mature side to the both of us, and for sure. Yes, definitely. Definitely, syempre, ang dami talagang aabangan. The story, I can't say about our director to everything. It's really something new. Ang hirap po magsalita. Super grateful for family. Yes. Good family. And our supporters. Yes, our supporters.